Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing, guys. This is a total of 2,426 square meters. So this is 2,426 square meters. This is elevated, no? Paingon dito, no? Located in Barangay Giwanon, Tubigon, Bohol. So nanay siya sa Giwanon. Then owner will allow a portion. Okay lang si owner nga kuhaan og portion at 1,000 square meters. So pwede siya kuhaan og 1,000 square meters. So no problem with the water, guys. Pero much better if you can kuhaan get the whole lot, no? Okay, it's downhill or elevated, no? Then up to here. So nindot if you can take all the whole lot, 4,420 or 26, I think. It's a clean title at 3,000 pesos per square meter. 3,000 ang metro kwadrado, guys. So it is beside to our office, no? Kilid ra sa atong opisina. So maybe we can kuan lang up to ito pa na dapita, guys, no? Pero kung pilion ni mo diri babaw, let's talk to the owner. If you select up at here, we can talk with the owner, no? Basta okay siya sa 1,000 square meters kuan portion. Nakanindot diri, guys, you know? It's elevated, no? You can see already the national highway. Makita rin nimo ang highway. So see, you can see the highway. Ang mga tricycle, oh. And it has also a road right of way. Nana siya karsada or agyanan. It's a road right of way. Dugay naman nga road right of way, guys. Because the adjacent of this property is also for sale. Pero mas nindot ni siya kay duol ra gid siya. So 3,000 per square meter ato lang ni siyang let's negotiate, no? Pero kadalasan gid diri, guys, na 3,000 or something lower. Pero ato lang yung i-final, no? Kay sometimes good. Kung needed yun ni owner ang money, yes, yun siya. Maso na yung with perimeter fence na yun siya, guys. Hindi nakamakuan. Okay, sad kung arrange ka sa putlanan, boundary. If you like here, boundary, it's okay. Much better pod. Because this is already the road right. See? Okay naman ang road right there, eh. Bigger but smaller to the nearer to the kuano. I think it's around nagidnis mga 30 meters, guys, gikan sa highway. Doon na tayo. Sayon ra kay toltolon. So mao man niya ato opisina guys, no. Kining nang ka ako ning putlon kay naman tayo lugar go. Our is just only 71 square meters mo niya tong lote. Pero dako naman di ay. Here, nindot ni kay ni guys, no? Elevated. So og duha mo, i-consider lang ninyo. So tag 500 pwede dira. Pero ang gusto ni owner is 1,000 is okay, pero if you are relatives or brother and sister, you may just say you will get 1,000, or if you are 3, you may just say we'll buy the whole lot of 1,000, then kamo na bahala sa pag-subdivide, no? So mao rin ni siya, no, ang road right na to mao gini siya. So ako amaning simento, no, kining kuan pwede ra ni siya atong i-develop on. Tinabangay lang ta, pwede we can help each other, no, to build up good road, no, going up, going inside, no. So dire guys, gamay ra gyud, one way road ra gyud ta paingon dito, pero dool ra masad kaayo gud. It's just only one way road but very close from highway. This is just only 1 kilometer from the McDonald's or center of Tubigon. Just only 1 kilometer. This is our signage. Ako nang utrohon guys. Sayon ra kay talikyat man ni sa una good guys mo nang dali ra kay tultulon mingon sila nga torang Shell, makita na ko Shell gas station dool ra gid kaayo. Napasulod dito ano siya, pero masulod ra gyud og sakyanan. So dito man ta sa gawas guys, no, outside of the office, of our office, no. So lindot na kaini maka-acquire ta dire sa tag 3,000 per square meter because you know the lots, no, the lot for sale along National Highway is already ranging at 15,000. Ana na gyud ang presyo, 15,000 ang metro kwadrado. So dito pa nuna dapit sa may kuan. Pero di rin nakita na ako yung na-notice for sale tag 10,000 pesos per square meter. So dako kayo og diferensya kaysa maka-acquire ka dire tag 3,000. So lindot kayo guys, dako gyud. So if you are from Cebu like me, no, I always going to Cebu, then my point of origin is here in Tubigon, then going up to the different towns of Bohol. So mga tumang ko lain lungsod, ato na ko sa Carmen, ato na ko sa Bayan or somewhere Claren or Talibon. So diri gyud sa Tubigon ang saktong nastada na to. Magabihan ta if you are in the middle of the night or hapon na kayo, mahal na kayong hotel diri na nagyos tag 1,000 and above nya. Kanang tag 1,000 ra ba dili pag kita maka kuan nga maayo gyud. So kung you're always traveling, no, going to Cebu and Bohol, much better maka-acquire kang property diri sa Bohol. Kini may nindot nga pwesto diri sa kuan, diri sa Tubigon, diri dapit tapan sa mua, no, kay mo na. Pero owner will just allow 1,000, pero duha mo di ay dito 500 ra. How much more og tulo mo, no, mabahin-bahin ra niya, pero gusto ni owner na abrupt 1,000 gyud ang kuan. So Again, the property we're selling is 2,400 kapin 26. I forgot, no, sakto na. Then at 3,000 pesos per square meter. So nindot kayo kung makuha na to na, no, as a whole. Pero kung dili, atong portion lang, di po sila musugot kung 500 o kuan, kanto lang 1,000, tabangi lang ninyo, you can help, no, acquiring the whole 1,000. Okay, nindot kayo tag 3,000 yan. Kung ato gid ka sa highway, wa man sa klarong makakuha kag property sa highway san, honestly kurot naman. Pero ako na notice na may baligya tag 2,000 ng area, tag 15,000 yon. Then unahan wala na, same ra ni sudlonon, pero mas maayo pa ni kay walking distance to the highway. Everything is accessible. Ang road lang nato may dunay diferensya gamay. So guys, mo to, no, the property we're selling is 2,426. Then the owner will allow a portion of 1,000 square meters. So mo ni ato opisina diri, guys. So mo ni siya. So ang atong property baligya kananaan na ikuan ako Ariona. So start from here, no, so go dire sa ingon tos babaw. So mana siya, guys, going uphill. So for inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So again, the property we're selling 2,426 for the name of doon, or a portion of 1,000 square meters at 3,000 pesos per square meter. Very close from National Highway, approximately 30 meters or more or less. Then from highway, very close from the terminal, new terminal, Shell station, approximately 1 kilometer from town proper. So pwede rin malakaw to the pier, which more or less total of 2 kilometers from pier or seaport of Tubigon, Bohol. From Tagbilaran City is less than an hour from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. Mga 1 hour na po sa Panglao. Okay, you can buy the whole or you can get a portion. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Good morning and happy Sunday. Bye.